Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your funds from Polymarket. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up a web browser and head on over to Polymarket. And then once we're here, you want to sign into the account you'd like to withdraw your funds. So from here, we can either click on portfolio or cash. So I'm going to click portfolio and you're going to see all your funds here. This is just a demo account, so it's going to show zero. Now, if you want to go ahead and click on withdraw, we can go and withdraw those funds. And just basically enter the amount of USDC you want to withdraw. And then on the next page, you can select the blockchain network you want to use. Most people choose Polygon for their lower fees. Then paste in your destination wallet address. So this is the USDC address of your wallet or exchange, so MetaMask, Coinbase, etc. Double check the network and address. Sending to the wrong network can lose funds permanently. Then basically from there, confirm the withdrawal. So Polymarket will process it, often within minutes, sometimes longer if it is congested at peak time. You'll pay gas fees, so this is very small on Polygon, or higher on Ethereum. Now, typically it takes 1 to 5 minutes on the Polygon chain or longer on Ethereum, and you can track the transaction using a block explorer like Polygon Scan. Now we've got also, you can cash out using a bank. So if you want to withdraw fiat, you can in your bank account. So the usual flow is withdraw USD to your wallet and then send USDC to a crypto exchange. You can use Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, etc. Then sell, convert USDC to fiat on that exchange. Then withdraw to your bank account via bank transfer.